Welcome, this is the week 15 homework solution. Here we have Tuesday, November the 13th, 2018. Alright, here we have four different problems, A, B, C, and D. They all ask us fill in the chart, then graph each equation. Right? Just to let you know, these are all linear equations, so these are all going to be lines for us. So let's just make sure we fill that in. These are all lines. That's a line. This is also going to be a line. This is also a line. Okay. They're all lines because they're all in the format of y equals mx plus b. Alright. So let's look at this. We want to first find the slope. The slope is referred to the value or the number that is in front of the x. In this case, it's the number 2. So m is equal to 2. Okay, we always want to make it in terms to a fraction form, so it becomes 2 divided by 1. Okay, next, what is the value in front of the x here? This looks like there's a 1 in front, so it's m is equal to negative 1 divided by 1. What about this one? What is the number in front of the x? Alright, that looks like that is just 1. Okay, so the slope here, it's going to be 1 over 1. Remember, all the slope is the value or the number that is in front of the x. If you do not see anything, it is the value of 1. Okay, when we write a slope, make sure you put it in fraction form. Any number divided by 1 to make sure it's in fraction form. This one was already negative 2 over 3. That's why the slope here was negative 2 over 3. Alright, let's find the y-intercept. We're going to use the color purple. The y-intercept is the value that is not attached to the x. So it would be this one. It's the whole thing here. So we would say b is equal to negative 2. What about this one? We say b is equal to the value of 1 or positive 1. For d, it is the value of b is equal to negative 4. Alright. Okay, let's do this now. Alright, so b is equal to negative 2. So we're going to graph the first one. Okay, a. So they say the slope-intercept form, the slope or the y-intercept for a is negative 3. So we put the dot here at 3. Okay, there's my first dot. Okay, then we want to move based on the slope. So here it says go down 2. So 1, 2, then across, because this is to the right, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put a dot there. Good. Now we want to connect it via a line. Okay. That's a bad line. Alright, let's do that again. Let's try that. Yep, that looks like a good line. Okay. There you go. That would be how this one looks like. This is negative slope because it's going down. Alright, let's go B. Okay. We start here at the y-intercept, so negative 2. So right here, b is equal to negative 2. So b is negative 2. Here's my dot. It says here, the top value is a positive 2, so I'm going to go up 2. So 1, 2. Then the bottom one says to go right. So I go right 1. Then I put a dot there. Good. Alright, now we connect it with a line. There it goes. Looks good. Alright. 2 over 1, that is a positive slope. You go up 2, cross 1 with the y-intercept of negative 2. Alright, let's do the next one. B equals to 1. So that is where 1, it's right here. Good. Now we move according to the slope. Here it says negative 1, so we go down 1. Then 1, that is to the right. Then we put another dot there. Now we connect the dots with a line. There you go. B equals to -4. So right there, -4. And the slope here is up 1 to the right 1. So let's do that. Up 1. Then to the right 1. Okay. And then we connect that. Then we make another dot there. Then we connect that with a line. Okay. There you go. So again, make sure you find your slope, then your y-intercept, then you graph. How do you graph? You start with the y-intercept, move according to the slope, make the second point, then connect the 2 points together. Alright, there you go. That is all your homework solution for Tuesday, November 13th, 2018.